Hey guys, welcome back to the channel with exploding coolness, and today we're playing a Roblox game called Airplane. I'm pretty sure it's just Airplane 1, not like anything special.
Okay.
So, we also have a special guest. Where is she? Middle Schooler 59, my sister.
Hi.
Okay, so middle, left or right? Middle.
This one?
Yes, middle.
Which one? Oh, you're already in. Oh, I'm sitting next to the. Look at his hair.
Yeah, that guy looks funny. Oh, he left.
And now I'm next to a black dude, black and white.
Oh God, he's next to me now.
Look who's next to me. This is weird.
I can't even see your head anymore.
Yeah.
Ooh, we're going in.
I'm scared.
I wonder if this game has any secret endings.
Ooh, I'm D5. What are you?
D13.
D5. Did I seriously start? What? Where's
10. Oh, 10, 11, 12, 13. D.
Ooh, I'm next to that hair dude. Literally, I'm next to that hair dude.
I feel bad.
Hello,
Way in the front, I'm way in the back. This is the captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 3348.
I'm in the second row of the front.
Can you see me in the back?
Just sort of. I'm gonna sit down for a while.
Yeah, I'm just gonna sit here so I don't die. Oh, explore the plane. Kira, I just realized. I'm pretty sure you can.
It is there.
Ooh, there's scissors here. I will not die today. Oh yeah, last video she died.
Yeah, not gonna happen today. Now please find your sheet and fast. Goes into I'm in. D5, here's my ticket.
Say hi to the every.
Awesome, just died.
Everybody. Say hi to the everybody.
I don't know if they understand what vid means. That big dude with hair.
D-O. Did he die?
I wish.
Get ready. Oh God, I really hope I'm not allergic to mayo. Hello everybody, we are the crew members. We will be delivering you delicious sandwiches.
Wait, there's mayo? And some people are allergic to it?
One person. Should I eat it and take the chances?
Please don't beat me. Please don't beat me. Please don't beat me. Please don't beat me.
I ate it.
Please don't beat me. Please don't.
And you have to find their thing very quick. You know, like up there. Oh, I'm not feeling very well.
Oh, was it you?
Wait, this sandwich has mayo. I'm allergic to mayo. Nope, nope. Nope, nope, nope. 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 Oh. I found my stuff.
Where's my stuff?
I don't know. No.
This is sad. I found my area, but I can't find.
Come on, close this. Oh, you found it.
I found what?
The lunch. Phew, that was a close one. Thanks for finding my schmoopy smucks.
All I needed was a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and to find my luggage.
Yeah.
Wait, literally, where's... Tell me if you find my luggage.
We can't open them anymore.
What would happen if I did?
You can't. Like, you can't.
Uh-oh. I'm getting in my seat.
Front.
I'm finding it.
Good night, passengers.
Yes, sir.
Z, 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 Z.
Let me in my seat. I want to find it.
Oh, God. It appears that we've lost energy. Hang on. We'll try to fix it. Guys, look. What's that on the right wing? Oh, hello, scary monster. With sharp claws and... Run. 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 Oh my God. Are those snakes?
There.
Someone stop going to the bathroom. She's covered in snakes.
I'm safe from the snakes.
Leave me alone. Oh, you just have to jump up onto a seat.
Yeah, look at me. Oh, they're trying to get me.
Yep, me too. Kira, jump down for a second. Kira, follow me, quick, or you'll die.
Why?
Go into the bathroom.
Why? Are they allowed in?
No, and also, if we don't, I'm pretty sure you die.
Where is the poop emoji?
Aiden! Found it! Aww. That was scary. We should discuss what the heck just happened.
That we almost died. Now let us out. Wait, no, we're trapped. We're trapped.
No, we're not trapped. We're safe.
Help. Wait.
Lavatory?
Trapped. In one room. Help.
I'm exploding coolness, even though my screen is black. Okay, let's go discover the bomb. Is the bomb over here, or where's the bomb?
Wait, the bomb? There's a bomb?
Yes.
Okay, where is... But I don't...
3626.
What is that?
I don't know.
I'm gonna grab it.
3626. 3626.
3626.
3626. 3626.
3626. Well, that didn't work.
3. Oh no. Get an oxygen mask. Where are they?
Okay.
Get one. Yes, I got one. Did you get one?
Where do you get them?
They're hanging around. Here, over here. Quick!
I got it.
Look at your face if you got it.
I got it.
Oh God, someone's about to die.
Who?
Him.
Oh, it wasn't that weird. What is it?
The mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels. I'm glad I got one. I've never made it this far, actually.
Me neither. I want to use a bathroom. I mean the bathroom.
Oh God. Nope. Oh God.
What is it this time? Is it the demon? Oh God. What's the name?
I'll get the scissors.
Why is it on me?
I don't know. Find something to cut the bomb.
Maybe.
Get away from me.
Just get.
I'll save you. Save. I found a pair of scissors.
Here's the mommy. Why am I taller than you?
Cause I made myself a baby.
This is cute.
Red. It's
Cut.
always the red. I'll cut the red, Gibu. Don't blow up, Kira. Oh God. You're alive.
Phew.
I thought I almost killed you.
Yeah. You thought. You just. Oh no.
Oh God. Please.
I can tell you this is gonna be BAD. Bad. Passenger. Anything? In? Get to your seat now. We haven't heard. We should go look for them.
3626.
3626. 3626. 3626.
I know the code. Let me in.
Me too.
I'll type in the code.
How do you even type the code?
I don't know. So that's why I'm just walking on the door.
This dude looks so weird. Let me in.
Can I come in yet?
Captain, are you okay, dude? Dude, can
Is this what we're supposed to do? Are we like supposed to?
Ooh, is this open? Aw,
Or were you just about to jump out the plane?
baby.
You're crazy.
Oh, crazy. Okay, I'm in. Dude, is there any places we can go in right now? Like, are they okay? Hello, we can't even see you. So, like, if you're dead, I don't know what to do. Okay, somebody let us in.
I found them.
Found them?
They're unconscious. We need to alert the captain.
Captain, let us in. Get to the captain, mermaid.
Okay. I know the code.
Eight.
I know the code.
You need a code, and I know. Let us in.
I know the code.
Oh, come on.
Really?
Come on.
We all know where the code is.
And we all know what it is. So just let us in. Ah,
It's a creature. Are you gonna like tickle me? We didn't do anything though.
I
You think or
wow.
are you gonna kill us?
What do we do? Possible. Yeah, dude, that's not possible. Wait, she's one? I don't want to die. We're gonna try to me first.
Do we have to like run or something?
Wait, is he even doing it?
Oh, he's crashing the plane. Of course he is. I'm gonna spam every single button to turn on autopilot.
Or we can just reset.
No, we have to spam every button.
Why?
Spam all the buttons. The plane is falling. We're going to. We have to press the autopilot button.
Where's that?
Just spam all these green buttons.
Yeah, we need it. Dude, we are trying to.
We can't press them yet. Bet there's like a timer that's gonna pop. Click everything and find that button before we die. Okay. Nope. Nope, 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 nope.
I hope I find him.
Nope.
Nope.
Oh, you found the button.
Yay!
Yay, you made us live, not die.
You guys are welcome.
We saved the plane.
More like I did.
It's been a very crazy flight. I just want to be home already.
Let's go sit. I'm scared. If we get locked in the captain's room,
I know.
I'm gonna get there first.
You already gotta do something fun, so I'm gonna do this for the vid. You know, like the video.
Too bad. Yeah.
No, I called it.
Should we call Mama?
Oh, come on. I have baby skills, so I can hide under here. I'm a baby. Ha 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 ha. Can you unconscious, please? Whip. I want some pretzels.
Uh-oh. Aiden, are we
I
trapped?
have for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track.
But we're trapped.
Find someone to sit on the co-pilot seat as the captain. Me do it. Kira, can I do it for the video? Kira, let me do it, please.
Fine.
Go, 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 go. Let's do this.
Yay! I made sure he didn't get him.
For the video. Look how good I am at driving.
You're a baby.
No, I'm not.
Ooh, now I'm the co-pilot. Yeah. Uh-oh.
You're a meanie.
No.
Goodbye, cruel world.
Let me out.
You humans are funny. You humans are funny. Your destiny has already been written. You can't write my destiny. I write my destiny.
Yeah, dude.
Last chance, Missing Joe Duck.
Aiden.
I sacrificed myself. Rule the underworld.
Just jump in, jump out. Just do it.
This has to be done.
Aiden.
Foolish humans. All this time you trusted Missing Joe Duck. And he was always on my side.
Wait, Aiden.
Now, take us home, Missing Joe Duck. Okay. Yes, master.
Aiden.
Don't
Missing Joe Duck, don't do this to us.
I'm evil. Missing, you survived airplane.
Yay, victory!
Oh, it's a victory question mark. I bet there's different endings. Well,
I wonder if that dude died. The one with the
no, me and him are the rulers of the underworld now. So,
Where are you?
So guys, I guess that's it. See you later. Bye. Wait, what is this? Monster? 150 wins? Well, see you guys later. Bye.